Now I will show you how to install Python on your system. So please open up your browser and head on over to python.org. Here, click on Downloads. Right now, the latest version of Python is 3.8.2 and it's available for Windows, Mac, Linux, and others. So what you need to do is to click on this yellow button that says Download Python 3.8.2, and when you click on it, it will start downloading. It will take a bit of time. Okay, so now we have successfully downloaded the setup or installer of Python. So open it up by double-clicking it, and it should bring up this box here. Now I am currently on Windows, that is why I see this checkbox here. Add Python 3.8 to path. And this is really important. So you can simply check it, but on Mac, you're not going to see this checkbox. So don't worry about it. And then there are two options for us to choose from: Install Now and Customize Install. With Customize Install, you can change the directory and can customize some other features too. But I would recommend clicking on Install Now. So the installation of Python is done. Now you can close this wizard. And now that we're done installing Python 3, we need to install an IDE. Now what is an IDE? IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. It's basically a code editor. And we are going to need that because we need to write down some code in order to make applications. Now there is an editor already that comes while installing Python, which is called IDLE or IDLE. So you can search for IDLE on your PC. There it is, and you can see that we have IDLE installed. So now you can open it up and it should bring up this window. Now this basically is a shell where you execute or run commands. To write a program, you can click File and then New. It creates a new Python project where you can write code. And you can run your code by going to the Run tab, and then you can click on the Run module. But as you can see, this is very simple code editor. You don't have a lot of options. Presently, you can use this, but throughout the course, I will be using an IDE. So let me show you some options. There are a lot of IDEs out there for you to choose from. One of my personal favorites is PyCharm, and I will be using it throughout this course. This IDE is really popular and most of the Python developers use it. Also, this IDE is totally free of cost, so you don't have to worry about any free trials or paying money. Another good option is to use Visual Studio Code or VS Code. This is another excellent program that you can use. And the last one that I have to show is Atom. Now, these three free IDEs are the best to choose from, and it's up to you to choose whichever suits you. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to install and set up PyCharm.